simulator ride. There's no jumps or turns or anything. It just shakes around. It's really cool. It's one of my favorite rides. I'm not saying that because I work here. So how the ride operates, giant safari ride if you're ready. Right back here.
Thank you.
There for me. Yes. Get a better view of the Great Wall. The ride itself is based off the 2005 Peter Jackson film, the one with Jack Black. It's supposed to be a prequel to the movie. It's really cool. Here's the Great Wall, one of our icons of the island. If you want to get a closer look, you can. So the ride itself, like I said, it's actually self-driving. The good thing about this ride is it's no track at all. So as you can see, there's no kind of bus bar that the ride will follow. It's the trucks driving. The main part of this ride isn't just the ride, it's the trucks. The trucks are the ones that operate everything. Okay? We have 5 different ones. Each of them have their own driver. Becky, Will, Doc, Kalana, and Jace. Each of them have their own personal story, each of them connecting to the island. In the movie, the 2005 movie, Jack Black's character, his nephew is actually Will. Yeah.
Cool.
So, really, really cool. Out here at the greeter area outside, here you can hear the radio. This is actually NBC radio. They play the little tone and everything, the little Easter egg there. But the radio host is actually interviewing each of the drivers. The owner of the 8th Wonder Expedition Company, which we work for. You guys will work for him.
Okay.
I work for him. The 8th Wonder Expedition Company is the company that he owns. His name is Sir Wallace. And then we have Kate, who you see on the ride. That's who you meet up to, and the other drivers as well. And that's pretty much it. The drivers and then the
Okay.
Here, right this way. The trucks follow a path when the ride first opened or before the ride opened. They had to program the trucks to be a certain way. If you look closely, in between the 2 black marks, there's a little sensor right there. There's about 300 of them throughout the track. The truck will lead up in the middle of it, kind of keeping it on the right track. Really the truck is...
So it's sort of like one of those autonomous things they use at like shipping container yards.
Yeah, well, that's the size on it at least. Yeah. So they're RFID sensors. They kind of keep the track at motion. And upstairs in our control booth, you can see how fast the truck is going and where it's going exactly, which is pretty cool. We always keep turns on them. But on the track itself, we do have the 5 drivers, like I said, but typically we can only have 4 on the track, just because of how
it backs up and unloads.
Yeah, because the track itself is about a quarter mile long, which may not seem like a lot, but here it is, especially for these trucks.
Sure.
It's pretty cool how it works, though. They're on their own automated system. It's what makes the ride the ride. It's really neat. It's one of my favorites. Let's see.
Plus, you don't have to pay a driver.
That's true. Here, we'll head down this way. Have you been coming to the parks for a while?
Yeah, I'm an annual pass holder.
Okay, cool. So did you ever go on Jaws?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, okay. So, though it's not here anymore, Universal likes to keep a little antique in every single ride. Right here, we have a rope from the Jaws queue. They actually cleaned down and everything like that. So the answer to it, yeah, it's neat. Yeah, we always try to keep a little bit of something in. But since the queue is empty right now, I'll take you in the queue.
Okay.
Because not only is it the ride, but the queue is ginormous. If you want to take your steps.
All right.
Okay. So we have a few different parts of the queue. This is our campsite area where the guests come in and everything, including yourself, kind of getting a lay of the land. And then slowly but surely we kind of make our way through the caves. This is what we excavated so far. This is our temple area. If you want to get a little bit closer to what we have found. Thank you. So ancient ruins here, part of the island. Pretty spooky stuff. Skulls everywhere. All around the queue, yeah. What would be Skull Island without skulls? We actually have 887 skulls throughout
887?
the queue. Yeah, and they're all female skulls.
Really?
So, yeah, because in the movie and on the ride, Kong is only likes female sacrifices. So every single one of the bodies that have been sacrificed are female.
Interesting.
So, yeah. So that's why both drivers are a little concerned. Both female drivers,
Right.
Becky and Kalana.
Right.
They're a little concerned, but they'll live. Here's where all the skulls are, more than not. This is our catacombs area. Not much to this one, other than just where we found all the skulls. Lots and lots of them. It's a little bit smaller for the queue, but the next part is where it gets a little crazier. So we'll head up there.
I wonder if any of these skulls came from Dueling Dragons.
I always wondered. Well, they were Dueling Dragons.
I have one of the skulls that was from that queue.
Oh, sweet.
At home, yeah.
This ride came out mid-2016, so the ride
It
was
would've been-
still open. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
This is our native queue area.
Uh-oh. Ooh, there he is.
More skulls. There's our boy. He's just angry. He's just scared all the time. But he'll live. Yeah, look at him.
He's annoyed that he doesn't have hand sanitizer.
Yeah, he's right. He's a little intimidating at first when I first started here.
Yeah.
I was walking through the queue alone, and I actually did not know that existed. I'm scared.
That'll get you the first
But
time.
now I'm just like, hey.
Yeah.
All right. So, the loudest part of the queue and the coolest part of the queue is our shrine. This is where our witch up there, we can get a close look at her.
Sure.
She does her chants and all this voodoo stuff. Scary, but she's good.
She speaks her own made-up language.
Yep. Okay, now that she's quiet. So Universal, when they actually made the ride, made their own made-up language for that. So everything
cool.
she's saying is gibberish, honestly. But each of it does have a meaning. I don't have the script on me, but essentially she's saying that we've trespassed on the island, we're going to be sacrificed, all this stuff. Kind of nonsense, like I said, but what does she know? But
Yeah, we shouldn't listen.
she's just old. We have youth, so look at her go. It's the best way to see it. So here we'll come.
Boomers,
Up this way.
tell you.
Exactly.
They're always trying to tell you something.
But yeah, this is the biggest part of the queue. It's very cool, actually. So it's on a loop all the time, about 5 minutes per show that she does.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So unfortunately, we do have a live actor in the queue.
I have not seen them in quite a while.
So unfortunately, they've been sent away for a little bit, but they'll be back. They'll be back.
You think they will?
I hope so.
so.
They're a good part of the queue. It's kind of what makes the queue. Like I said, right over here. So yeah, they do have.
Yeah, there's the boo
The
hole.
holes that they would step through. They have 3 different ones that they could go through. Actually, I believe they only went about a couple months or so before they had to get rid of the trigger for the sound. Because it was way too loud and scared too many people.
Yeah, I don't remember that after like the first few weeks.
Yeah, it's a very, very loud trigger. They can't even test it out or anything.
Yeah.
But
It's a shame because it was a great gag.
oh yeah. But it's still really cool how it works. When they were here, they always just interact with guests and whatnot, especially during downtimes or anything. All right, we'll cut through here really, really quick.
But you think they might bring him back?
I really hope so. I think during our busier times of the year is when they'll bring it back. Okay. So this is our cave area.
Okay.
That's where we've been walking through a little bit, slowly maturing, making our way up there. We're actually scoot back this way a little bit. We're sure to dodge through some people. You guys really quick, we're gonna scoot right by it.
Pardon. Sorry.
Sorry. Watch your window.
Sorry. Excuse us. Is there anything fun in here?
Yeah, so actually, oh my god, I always forget about this just because there's always people here. But you can kind of see it now. In this area right here, you can kind of see a little tiny Empire State Building.
Oh.
Easter egg to what is to come with King Kong.
Right.
But yeah, here is our base camp area. We have all of our supplies that we brought out here from the island. We have some snakes in there, I think, or something like that.
Be sure to secure all
weapons and
items,
everything else,
including all communication devices.
And
The use of still or motion cameras of any kind is
our carnictus worm, or Sierra, as we like to call her.
Hello, Sierra. That's your name.
Yeah.
Hi, Sierra. It's nice to meet you.
She sure is something. She was a mess to capture. So.
I can imagine.
Yeah, but she's sleepy. Sometimes she just takes a nap. Otherwise, she's very active. But she's shy sometimes.
all drivers.
There she goes.
Yeah, they did a great job with her. I'm so happy that she looks the way she does. She's really cool. That's life, like real life.
Amazing.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Amazing.
Yeah, Billy, this is James. What's going on?
Have any of you had contact with Dr. Freeman's team?
So is there anything that's left over from the original Kong attraction? Or any other attraction?
I know that from Confrontation, they do have some of the traps still in the mummy.
Yeah, you can see it overhead.
Yep. Here's some weapons that we have here. The 8th Wonder Exposition.
Tell me about it. It's making the needles on my compasses spin like a whirly cake.
Okay.
We're here
Just
alone.
about there.
All right.
And then,
Okay.
right here's our map. This is what we have in the island so far. If you haven't realized already, it's the 1930s. Welcome. So 1932 is where we're at right now. This is what we have so far on the map, kind of from above some of the air travel that we've seen so far. But right here is going to be where the ride takes place. So we are right about, where's the cave system? Right here. So we start off in the cave systems, end up back outside where the gate is, go through the temple ruins, and then you see all of this when you're out there. You see, when you reach the mountain temple, when you're up there, you see the ruined city and all this beyond. So it's really neat how it works.
So it all fits together.
Yeah.
Cool.
Sir Wallace, like I mentioned before, the owner of the 8th Wonder Expedition Company, is actually missing right now. So we're kind of lawless land at the moment. Last time we saw him, he was on the temple ruins. But we don't know. Maybe we'll see where he's at.
He should go looking. You should go looking for Professor Baxter over in Lost Continent.
Yeah.
Maybe they're lost together.
Yeah. Taylor will find him.
Awesome.
But yeah, above here, you can kind of hear more radio chatter. This is actually communications with the drivers themselves. If you want to get a little bit closer to the truck. Drivers are communicating with each other. They actually bring up how Sir Wallace is missing, kind of their first impressions of the island. Will is getting chased by bugs. Doc is noticing dinosaurs. Like, it's crazy. But right now,
Looks like they're in a little bit of a
right
hole.
now, we're probably.
All expedition owners, including young children, must have their own seat while riding in the
Look
truck.
at how the trucks are
Be sure to
moved from the
secure
truck.
Sure.
I think that's probably what they're doing right now. I could be wrong.
Okay.
The use of still or motion cameras of any kind is strictly prohibited.
Are we
Hello.
taking a truck off?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, this is the truck if you want to get a little bit up close and personal. The doors actually open up vertically. Yes, vertically. They open straight up. A lot of people think it's a double-decker bus when it comes in. It's not.
You guys
Just 'cause
don't
the way
use
it
the
was.
front rows anymore, right?
No, so we actually have the first row blocked off. When the ride first opened, the front row didn't get the best reception in the world, just because you have the driver's seat right in front of you. Everything's to the left and right. Yeah.
And does that still open up for when it's raining to
Yes,
do
so
the
we do have
bypass?
a bypass. Yeah.
Cool.
So whenever it does rain outside, if it's any kind of storming or anything, even if it's not raining, sometimes we just go right in there, just kind of speed things up a little bit. The ride itself is 6 minutes. When we go into that area, it's 5.
Oh, okay.
So when that does happen, it just goes directly inside and heading outside. Otherwise, this truck will get out of our way in just a second. But you can actually see, these 3 different mouths right here when they move away. They're yawning, first of all. A lot of people think they're screaming. They're yawning, they're tired. But in each of the mouths, there's a mummy. And actually, the middle mummy is modeled differently than the other 2.
Okay.
The middle one is actually modeled after the mummy on the mummy.
Oh, okay.
You know how there's a scene in the mummy where the mummies will pop out at
Yeah,
you?
yeah,
Right here, it's just, the mummy. Just off that. Yeah, there it is. And of course, they have a few trade secrets over there. They actually have a Kong figure over there in that room. They have a golden Kong,
Yeah.
which is pretty neat. Other than that, I think
Well,
I
thank
just
you.
about covered everything. There's one more thing.
Oh, okay.
actually. It's It's actually where you are.
Oh, okay.
Do you have a flash? It's a little bit harder to see. Maybe you can brighten it up a little bit later.
Yeah.
You can kind of see it right about here. There's a little tiny figure. I don't know if there's a way to put the flash on or anything. But right here, they actually carved. It's a little bit harder to see, especially with the light on.
Yeah.
But if there was a light, I do apologize.
It's okay.
They actually carved in a little figure here. Here's his two eyes right here.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you can kind of see him a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Cool.
I think I covered just about
This is a safety
Awesome.
advisory for all.